Finally, the very important document of the students are released of the UGC NET exam conducted on 25 June, and that important document is admit card, because admit card contains the entire information of the student, their name, their number, exam date, exam place, all the important information, and student must carry printed copy of the admit card during exam entrance. Must they have the printed copy of the admit card. For that printed copy, go to the official website ugcnet.nta.ac.in, ugcnet.nta.nc.in. Go to that website, there is admit card link, fill your application number, date of birth, and you can download the admit card, and must carry the printed copy of the admit card, printed copy, remember. Also at that website you can get the hall ticket, at that website. So the admit card are released, and student must take the printed copy of the admit card. Remember once again, share this important information to the maximum students. Share. Thanks.